So we go to https://app.aperture.finance/swap. The link is in the description. Here we arrive on a new platform that will enable us to farm both Aperture.finance and Scroll, which we have been farming since the beginning. Here you have all the possible wallets. Again, ours is the Rabby Wallet. We connect and confirm that we are well connected. We will select the network, so here it's Scroll. We switch to Scroll because it changes our location to Scroll. Here we select the USDT since that's what we have. We will send it, for example, to Ether. Good, we can continue. We approve. Hop, we come to sign, confirm. We have never interacted with this platform before, so it tells us to be careful. We can check if we want. We have never interacted with this platform. We ignore the alert, sign, confirm. It's approved. We can swap. We click again. You have to click twice each time. Otherwise, it doesn't happen. So we have 22 cents, which we put in normal. If we go a little faster and it makes 23 cents, we come to check. The USDTs have passed into Ether again. We have 466. Here we can wait again or we can continue. Be careful not to make a lot of transactions the same day and then nothing else because you could be taken for a robot. We will switch scroll. We will come back to Arbitrum. You will see how we finish the loop. We come back to Jumper, on which we were earlier. Up, we come to leave a little bit of fees. We leave a little on scroll. I review the price review. We switch on scroll, we come to sign, and there you go. Yeah, they have arrived well. We will check they are well here. So on Arbitrum, on the Arbitrum network, the Arbitrum blockchain, it's always Ether, and we have $470. Here we can, if we want, also do a swap here directly. We don't have to go through another platform. Remember, we can open it from anywhere. We don't have to be on the tab, another tab, plan a little swap, finally of Ether towards USDC. Here, and here what is it for? It serves both to farm the blockchain in question. Here for the shot, Arbitrum, the airdrop has already passed, so it's no use farming it. But it serves especially to do Rabby, to farm Rabby. So here it is necessary before the first time. We do it only the first time. We come to confirm that we accept to do swaps with its DEX, so with its decentralized exchanges, with its platforms. So we click on the first one, which offers us a transaction. We say OK, we confirm. We sign, we confirm. Here you see pending. They will pass into USDC, that's it. They were in Ether, they pass into USDC. And here we can switch them back if we want to keep them in Ether. And in Ether, if we want to leave them in a stablecoin, we can leave them like that. Here, we can wait a little if we want. We can wait 1 day or 2, or just the same evening and switch them back the other way. Here, personally, I prefer to have Ethereum than dollar. We come to confirm, it costs me 1 cent. And there you go. We have finished our farming for today with this wallet. We have a wallet called Froggy. Good the name it is for us, huh? We farmed both Jumper, SyncSwap, Aperture.finance, and Rabby. Rabby Wallet, which is also to farm, but we can see it here to have points. We will see that next time. So here, we came with $508 from memory, and we are at about 501, about 500. So we spent about $8 to farm a lot of things in the end. A lot of different platforms, and especially Scroll, which is potentially a big airdrop which will arrive at an undefined period, but it looks like 6 months, 1 year maybe. But to spend €7 and $7 and to receive maybe 10,000, it can be worth it. Here, don't forget to subscribe to Froggy and see you soon.